Now, I told you earlier, before you go out and go outside and have fun, eat your breakfast first. And now you're hungry. Ma! He's hungry. Eat his breakfast. He went go outside earlier, maybe 6 a.m. I put him in his bowl, but he doesn't want to eat. He want to go outside and have fun. Hungry na. This one is relaxing. Relaxing cat. This is inside cat, so it's very relaxing. He doesn't want to go outside. This male cat want to go outside every time. Hungry. You didn't catch anything outside? I thought you go hunting. Catch any raccoon there. Oh, beautiful cat. Oh, it's very crunchy. It's very crunchy. Beautiful big orange cat. Heard that, guys? It's very crunchy. He's eating his food very crunchy. Oh, he's a black and white cat. Cow cat. My son called him like a cow, black and white. A big orange cat. Crunchy. Silly cat. That's all, guys. Bye.